Sawadi 1TD. Hi, this is your favorite chef, Chef Joel. Here once again, I want to share to you one of my favorite food from Thailand. It's my favorite recipe also. This is a traditional recipe of Thailand. Are you ready to know that? Please, come with me. I will show it to you. In the late 1940s during World War II, Thailand has a very high consumption of rice, and there was a shortage of rice. Prime Minister Pin Boon picked Pad Thai as their dish to help the shortage of rice because it was made from rice noodles, a flat rice noodles but not too thick, and mixed with the selected vegetable and sauces that's suitable for the taste of all Thailand people. Now guys, join me and we will cook Pad Thai. These are the ingredients. You need egg, beat it, chicken and shrimp, sliced capsicum, pak choy, spring onion, and peanut. Much better if you have bean shoot or bean sprout, but we don't have in the market. So we need flat rice noodles, boiled and drained. This is a flat rice noodles, and the Pad Thai sauce. It's my personally made this one, made from tamarind sauce, tamarind paste, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and honey sauce. If you want these ingredients for the sauce, just follow me and message me. In a preheated wok, just put a little amount of any kinds of oil, swirl it around, and get your scrambled egg, mix it to make it partially cooked, mix, and then get your flat rice noodles. It was a drained flat rice noodles, and then mix it together with the egg, and then put some little amount of fire, and then mix it until the noodles became slightly brown. Guys, we need to toss and turn these noodles together with the egg to make it cook properly, to regain the hotness of the noodles before adding the next ingredients. Now, it's time to add the chicken and shrimp. Mix it properly and use medium flame to cook the shrimp because I use this time the raw one. Mix and turn to make it properly cooked. Now it's time to add the vegetable. Add all vegetable one at a time. And now mix and turn to make it the vegetable partially cooked. We mix and turn. Add Pad Thai sauce. This time I use 30 grams of scooper, and I put 2 scoop only. Now it's time to toss and turn again to make it mix it properly. Hoop, yeah. Once again. Hoop. Hoop. This time I off the flame because my wok it's hot. And then I add one more time of Pad Thai sauce. Now it's time to flame it to make it final cooking. Now it's time to put the peanut. It's a ground peanut. Now I use high flame or medium high flame. Now we're here on a final moment of cooking of Pad Thai. Now get a plate and we're ready for the presentation.